Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
So in this line, what you have point A and you have point B. Point A and point B. Okay. So here the coordinates of A will be 5k, 3, and coordinates of B is minus k, 7. Minus k, minus 7. Okay. So now if P is the midpoint of the line segment AB, so P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of line segment AB. Therefore, P coordinates of P is 4, minus 2. So what do you need to find? You need to find the value of K. That's all. So here also you can use two approaches. One is by using distance formula. Another one is using section formula. So direct midpoint formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ section formula. So that's what distance formula use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But what happens if you use distance formula? Calculation will be more. So more ಜಾಸ್ತಿ calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. AP find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, PB find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು because AP is equal to PB ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು? Use midpoint formula. So it is the line segment AB is divided by P in the ratio 1:1 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು if you apply midpoint formula, coordinates of P, that is 4, minus 2 will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 5k minus k divided by 2. So x coordinate values na add ಮಾಡಿ divided by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 minus 7 divided by 2. Y coordinates na add ಮಾಡಿ divided by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this will be equal to 4k by 2. This will be equal to minus 4 by 2. Right? So here we have 4, minus 2. So this simplifies to 4, minus 2 equal to, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 2k, 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2. So now we can equate x coordinate values. 2k is equal to 4. This implies k is equal to 4 by 2. That is k is equal to 2. The value of k is 2. Clear? Clear, Harita, Durgesh, and Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The value of k is 2. So just question us MCQ. Next one. Yes, Durgesh, can you read this question?
Yes, sir. P, minus 2, 5 and Q 3, 2 are 2 points. Find the coordinates of the point R on PQ such that PR is equals to 2QR.
Okay. So observe here, you have a line segment PQ. You have a line segment PQ. Okay. So they have given coordinates of P. Coordinates of P is minus 2, 5. And coordinates of Q is 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay. So, and you have one point R. So somewhere here you have a point R. Okay. So this point R. So we don't know about the coordinates. We need to find the coordinates. That it be x, y. Okay. So this point R divides PQ in what ratio? So they have given like this. PR is equal to 2 times QR. So take this QR here to the left hand side. It goes to the denominator. PR by QR is equal to 2. That means in the denominator we have 1, right? So this is same as PR is to QR will be equal to 2:1. 2:1. So this is nothing but PR is we call that as M, right? PR na ನಾವು M ಅಂತ call ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. RQ na N ಅಂತ call ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So M is to N, they have given 2:1. So this is nothing but 2:1. So this line is divided in the ratio 2:1. Okay. So now you can apply section formula, right? So if you apply section formula, you can easily get the coordinate values of x, y. So x, y will be equal to the formula. First, let me write the formula. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So first, yavattu formula ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay. So we don't know about x and y. Keep it as it is. So the value of m is 2. The value of x2 is 3. Plus the value of n is 1. x1 is minus 2. Divided by m plus n. So m plus n will be 2 plus 1. Comma. So m is 2, the value of y2 is 2. The value of n is 1. The value of y1 is 5 divided by 2 plus 1. So this simplifies to 2 3s are 6 minus 2 divided by 3, 4 plus 5 divided by 3. So which simplifies to 6 minus 2 is 3. Sorry, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 3 comma 9 by 3. So therefore the coordinates of x comma y. So the coordinates of r will be 4 by 3 comma 9 by 3. So 4 by 3 comma 9 by 3. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ next, in what ratio the point P divides the line segment? So you have one line segment, okay, one line segment. So in this line segment, you have a point P here. You need to find the values of the ratios. That means m is to n na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? I have given you one formula, right? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Find the ratio. To find the ratio, use this formula ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? To find the ratio, first you need to consider m is to n as some constant value k. Okay, to find the ratio, ಆ ratio ನೇ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. I call that as k. m is to n I call that as k. One unknown value. So ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 unknown values reduces to 1 unknown value. 2 unknown ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು 1 unknown ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ k ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. So let us call m is to n as k and let us apply this formula. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, if I apply this formula, the formula is x comma y is equal to ax2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 ay2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. So here k is equal to m is to n, m by n. So you need to calculate, you need to find the value of k. Later on you need to find the value of m by n value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now the coordinates of x comma y is given. The coordinates of x comma y is minus 4 comma y, which will be equal to k into x2 is 3, x1 is minus 6 divided by k plus 1. The next k into y2 is minus 8 plus y1 is 10 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so which will be reduces to 3k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. So here minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Right, so this is minus 4 comma y. So now what you can do, you can equate x and y values, right? So minus 4 will be equal to x coordinate value and y will be equal to y coordinate value. Okay, so this implies 3k minus 6 divided by k plus 1 is equal to minus 4 and k plus 1 will be 3k minus 6 is equal to, if I cross multiply k plus 1 with minus 4, it will be minus 4k minus 4, which implies 3k. So if I shift 4k to left hand side, it will be plus 4k. And if I shift minus 6 to right hand side, it will be plus 6. 6 minus 4. So 7k is equal to 2 means k will be equal to 2 by 7. So what does it imply? Which implies k is nothing but m is to n, right? M by n is equal to 2 by 7. This is nothing but m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. So that means that point R, P, that point P divides the line segment in the ratio 2 is to 7. Okay. So next they are asking about also find the value of y. So just we already equated here, right? Y is equal to minus 8k plus 10. So through this formula, you can find the value of y. So y is nothing but minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. We already know the value of y. So the value of y is, the value of k. We already know the value of k. Minus 8 into the value of k is 2 by 7 plus 10 divided by 2 by 7. Right? So now if you observe here, numerator simplifies to numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ. So it will be minus 16 by 7 plus 10 divided by 2 by 7. So now it simplifies to minus 16 plus 7 tens are 70 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 7. So 7 gets cancels. So you are left out with minus 16 plus 70. What is minus 60 plus 16 plus 70? 10 minus 6 is 4. Right? So next 6 minus 1 is 5. 54 by 2. So 55 by 2, 4 means, 54 by 2 means 2 times is 4, left out with 1. 2 7s are 14. 27. The value of y is 27. Clear, Sachin, Harita, and Durgesh? In this way, you can calculate the value of ratios. Okay, you can find the ratios. Ratios in a easy find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Sir, that is k plus 1, no?
ಯಾವುದು? K plus 1. Oh, 2 by 7 plus 1. So that means 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2. Right? 7 plus 2 is 9. This is 9 by 7. So divided by 9 means it will be 6. The value of y is 6. Good. The value of y is 6. Okay. Here also you can verify. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So minus 8 ಇದೆ. So ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So 27 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. 6 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. The value of y is 6. Correct. So you know this formula, right? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? kx2 plus x1 divided by x1 plus k plus 1. ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ದುರ್ಗೇಶ್
ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, x, y is equal to, this is very important formula to find the ratios.